that the BJP's core committee is supposed to meet today at the BJP President JP Nadda's National Capital residence. In fact, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will also attend the meeting that is going to be held later today, and the core group will talk about their key strategies and their next moves in the election in the national capital. Now remember, this also comes at the heels of Delhi's expected announcement over freebies to counter Aam Aadmi Party's freebie claims in the national capital ahead of the Delhi polls. We're once again being joined by my colleague Harsha live from New Delhi to get us more updates on the story. Harsha, this is the second meeting. The first one happened yesterday. Tell us more about the one today, also being attended by Home Minister Amit Shah at JP Nadda's residence in the national capital. Harsha.
So this is a very important meeting before the Central Election Committee's meeting of the BJP, which will happen later in the evening today. But this is the meeting which has started, which has commenced at the residence of JP Nadda, National President. All the 7 MPs of National Capital of Delhi are there. They have already reached. The National Secretary Tarun Chugh has also arrived at the residence of JP Nadda. This meeting is very important, keeping in mind that how BJP is strategically planning its election manifesto, and not only manifesto, the back-to-back strategy of how to hit out at Congress and Aam Aadmi Party in this election. To precisely tell you that this election BJP has made it is BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party. They clearly have thought that there is no Congress in the picture, so their entire strategy is going to revolve around what could be the things in the election manifesto, what can they promise to the voters of the national capital. We have already got a hint from the election manifesto that there is going to be the 500 unit free electricity to the people of the national capital if BJP comes in the power. Similarly, several schemes will be there for the youngsters, for the women voters, and also for the youngsters to get employed in national capital, and how the law and order situation of national capital will be enhanced. So there are going to be several things in the election manifesto, and for that this BJP core group meeting is very important. To also tell you that the second list of BJP is still awaited. Only one list of BJP has been out. There's the several assembly constituencies discussion which will happen in today's election committee meeting of BJP in the evening. But before this core meeting is because to take an idea from all these 7 MPs of Delhi on the strategic, rhetoric and the entire crux of the Delhi election, of how to go forward with the election campaign. Already Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah all have done their rallies. 1 to 2 rallies have already been done. They have been hitting out at Aam Aadmi Party. And in what more segments do the campaigns of the star campaigners should be done? It should be organized. All those strategic details are being discussed in this meeting. The core group meeting will go on for 1.5 hours, and then the crux of the meeting could be known exactly what all issues were discussed. But yes, primarily it is on the election manifesto, candidates, and strategic attack on the Aam Aadmi Party. Back to you.
Right, Harsha, we will keep our eyes on the 1.5 hour meeting and come back with details to discuss what goes on in the meeting.